Listen, I'm loving my natural hair. We are flourishing. And I'm all about a curly girl spring and a curly girl summer. But guess what? My hair done grew overnight. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this beautiful hair? I need y'all to stay tuned so you too can grow your hair overnight, all right? It's giving very much volume. It's giving very much is that mine with minimal leave out. She's a V-part wig. Stay tuned. Hey beauties, let's get right into this video. This hair is from UNICE. Everything is nice. All right, these are the goodies and this is the wig. Now this is my first time having a kinky curly V-part wig. I'm very excited because the kinkiness of it really does match well to my texture, and I really do feel like it's a better blend for some of us naturals that, you know, our hair may not get as coily or curly. The kinkiness helps it to blend in. This is what I will be using. Y'all, that was just a spray bottle with a little bit of water mousse, some Camille Rose product, and the dimming brush. Y'all, I do like to go in, and I did work the product through with my fingers first. Then I go in with the dimming brush. Dimming brush helps it define out a little better because this is kinky curly hair. I really wanted to see what these curls are talking about. So I did go in with my dimming brush to define those curls out, and you guys can see that process right now. Here's a close-up shot of the curls after I was finished, and this is my hair again. Y'all see my texture. Not exactly the same texture as the wig, but I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna blend it out. So I did go ahead and just kind of brush out my hair a little bit. We're going to be taking a little section out in the V shape. I do like to start with my base, which is my middle part, and from my middle part, I part on each side of it to get me a little V. Once I did that, y'all, it's been kind of cold in Atlanta, so I just went ahead and blow dried out my hair because it will be going in a low bun, a very low bun after I do my ankle braids. So here's the tea. Ankle braids, when you're using a V-part wig, helps you to have stability, like feel like it's not going nowhere, it's not going to slide. So right here, you just see me getting ready to part out two small sections next to my leave out, which will be my ankle braids. I'm just going to be braiding this down. If you cannot braid, you can always do a plait and put your plait into your bun, or you can do a flat twist. Either way, just make sure that you have an ankle braid and it'll help that wig lay secured. I'm learning to embrace my lazy girl era. This is a low ponytail. V-part wigs are so convenient to where you do not need a braid down foundation. You don't need flat twists if you don't want to. I'm doing a low ponytail. I'm leaving it open and I'm going to tuck it in my wig. I'm going to go ahead and unclip my clips so I can get it ready to put on my head, and we're just going to throw it on. That's all you got to do, y'all. Clip it onto your ankle braids or your twist, and you're just going to clip it. Try not to get it too close to the front because you don't want that to be aggravating, you know, your hairline. I like to do kind of right next to the hairline, but not right on it. And I repeated that same process on the other side. Y'all, we're almost done. I'm going to show y'all a quick glimpse in the back. My ponytail is hidden. I just tucked it right underneath the bottom, and these curls are so pretty. But look at my hair. It looks like it's not gonna blend, but we're gonna get right. I'm gonna go in with some of that Camille Rose conditioning cream, and I put it right on my hair, and it really did help it to blend. I am experiencing a little bit of heat damage, but it's okay. Y'all stay with me on this journey. You're gonna see me get my hair back in its healthy state. But look at these curls and look at my hair. Shout out to you, UNICE. Thank you guys so much. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up while you're down there, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.